Hey guys, welcome to another monthly video on just my affiliate marketing results. I'm super excited to share this journey, and if you guys have not been following, you can go and watch the other playlists and everything that's in the description of this video, because the whole point of me creating these monthly reports is not for me to boast to anything, but to show realistically what is possible. Now, I do have a full-time job. These are my results. I do take action to get these results, but I do it very strategically. Why? Because I'm traveling. I love my job. I love everything that's happening in my life, but I still want to make sure that I have this side hustle of affiliate marketing running for me. So if you are anything like me, I hope this video helps you and you're able to do these things strategically. So let's jump onto my computer and share with you some more. All right, guys, here I am on my screen. And actually, before I go ahead and share with you everything, I do want to tell you where you can find exactly what I'm doing. The thing is, I built this channel to help you guys, or help myself also, document this journey of affiliate marketing and the skill sets that are needed. We need skills. And these are the skill sets that I've learned over my time. Now, I've done affiliate marketing over the past 10 years, on and off. I've had my successes, I've had my failures. But when I got started again 2 years ago, it was a strategic way of getting back in the consistency, all while having a full-time job, because the full-time job actually pays the bills, right? That's what's happening for me personally. But this is also helping with other things that are going on in my life. And eventually it will take over the full-time job. This I know for a fact. I just have to give it time and patience and also consistency. That being said, along the way of doing all these things, you're learning skill sets. So what I did was I first applied my strategy for about almost a year. And then after that, I decided to create a small mini course, which you can find in the description of this video. Now, this course is called Affiliate Marketing Essentials. I have just one course, guys. Okay, it is very cheap. It is not even about the money or anything else. It's just that I don't even need people to get this course, to be honest, because I'm already applying the skill sets of this course. But the thing is that many people have been asking me, what are you doing on a daily basis to get these consistent results? I post a lot on Facebook to share that I'm getting consistent results. So people have been asking me, and therefore I created this course. Now, this course, let me show you guys in a second so that you can see it. And remember that it's linked in the description of this video in case you're interested at any point of time. So this course contains about 3 modules as a whole. The first module is the whole entire course in a nutshell. So it's a strategy and it's a skill set. So you're learning what is affiliate marketing, phases of affiliate marketing, the essential strategy, the importance of cash flow, the strategy and resources that I'm using. So you get everything very openly, very transparently that I'm doing. Okay. And by the way, all of this is just for a measly €1 or $1.5. Okay. So it's nothing significant. All of this is absolutely for free. Then I also talked to you about System.io, which is a great tool that you can leverage absolutely for free. You don't need to pay for it. But obviously I'm on the paid plan, just letting you guys know I am on the paid plan, but you don't need the paid plan. You can simply get started with it here. And I also give resources, how to use it and everything else. And you can always get in touch with me related to System.io. And then you have the advertising, what I'm using for advertising, also, which is very important. And then also my strategy. And this is what I'm actively doing. Okay. This is not something that is done and I'm just trying to hype you up and get you guys involved in it. No, this is a 10K monthly strategy advertising target, which basically means I'm using advertising, but I'm using paid advertising, guys. And the strategy that I follow is called a funded proposal strategy. So I am not paying from my pocket for my advertising. I'm paying from the expenses of my business, a percentage of that, basically what I'm earning, the cash flow that I'm getting in. So the first step is to get that cash flow. And the second step is to take that cash flow and use it in paid advertising. Now, you don't have to use it in paid advertising. I personally do this. Okay, these skills are applicable if you use paid advertising or don't. But I use it with paid advertising specifically because of the time constraints that I have with my full-time job. That's it. Okay, that's all. That's the main reason why I do it. I don't have the time to always create different content, even though I do. It's very limited. It's like basically whenever I have the time, I create bulk content and then I post it here and there. That's just basically how I do it. I don't have a dedicated, schedule for specifically content and stuff like that. If you do, then great. That's perfect. That's absolutely fine. Otherwise, the whole point of showing you the 10K monthly advertising target is to give you guys a statistical number of how you can break it down. So for example, if you get 10K per month clicks, those clicks are going to lead to 3,000 leads per month. Those 3,000 leads per month are going to give you let's say 1%, which is around 300 sales. Okay, I'm using these high level numbers right now for you guys to understand. So that being said, you know, okay, I'm going to make 300 sales every single month, and then you can know where to improve your skills. So it's giving you not only the idea of what advertising does, but then how do you improve your skills with advertising. And then there are bonuses, which is all the affiliate marketing products that I own. So I use Warrior Plus and ClickBank. Actually, you can see in everything in this bonus video right here. And on the last thing is a very interesting model. If you don't like anything that I'm sharing, I still believe that affiliate marketing should be learned with skills. And the two places, actually the places that I recommend, highly recommend to get started with these systems, which or I call ecosystems or hubs, as you call it, for learning affiliate marketing and applying. And they also have products so you can learn and earn along the way. There are two right here. Three I share with you guys. One is Map, which is my main one that I focus on, and I'm going to be talking about that today. I'm going to show you, just give you a snippet of it. Then is OLSP, which is another one, great one. And the third one is Rapid Profit System. I put Rapid Profit System as the third one because I believe Map and OLSP are a little bit better in quality, just saying very openly. And then you have Rapid Profit System, which is also good and long term. So these three are the ecosystems that I suggest most people to get started with. They have their own inbuilt training, guys. They have their own inbuilt ecosystem, but they have their own, if you just have to follow along that way. And this is if you don't like anything that you see right here, or maybe you want to go the free route and not follow my strategy, that is absolutely fine. You can use Map and OLSPs, where I suggest you to learn all this information about affiliate marketing and apply it. Always apply it. Okay, it's not going to guarantee that you're going to make sales with them, but what it is going to guarantee you is it's going to give you skill sets. That's basically affiliate marketing essentials in a nutshell. And then I have copywriting and email marketing strategies and data-driven method. This is just an upsell, and basically it has other information. You don't really need it. You can stick with just this step 1 and step 2 right here. I personally am on step 2 at the moment of affiliate marketing essentials. Okay, so this I'm not going beyond this. Just saying, I'm not going beyond this. Okay, let's get back to the topic. I just wanted to show you this is all available in the description of this video. So it should be the first link in the description and also in the pinned comments. Now, my whole strategy involves a few things. Let me just actually go here and zoom in so you guys can see. This is my entire strategy. Okay, this is what I follow. So I use a catalyst called MLGS, which is My Legion Secret, to send to an offer that I generate a sale. My Legion Secret is an email lead platform that I am using to make sales on a daily basis. I pay for it. Yes, it's $30 every single month, so it's a minimal startup fee. And I am getting about $400 to $500 every single month, earning just from My Legion Secret itself. So it's paying for itself and more, and it's also helping me fund, as you can see, step 2 with my paid advertising. And I have advertising sources that I use on a regular basis to send traffic or advertising to my landing page, and then it builds my email list. Okay, so this is how I build my email list. Hope this is clear. This is the entire strategy. Nothing hiding. No, this is the full transparency. So what I'm going to cover right now is I'm going to show you every place that I earn commission so that you guys understand, and we're going to pull in those commissions together. Okay, so the first place, as you guys can see right here, is My Legion Secret. So My Legion Secret basically costs you $30 every single month. You make recurring payments of $5 if somebody joins. And if they stay on, obviously every single month you'll get $5. And I think if you make in 1 week of 5 sales or 10 sales, I'm not sure, you get a bonus of $100 also. So it's really up to you if you want to promote it or not. Let me just sign into the account, and I will show you guys how much I've earned for the month of September. Let me log in. Let me go to affiliates. Just zoom in a little bit, guys, because I don't want to show you any personal details. Let's go here. Perfect. So this is already September. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, out of which it should be, if it's 11, it's 55 minus 2, because 1 is a second tier commission, so I got $3 there. So $53 basically as a whole is what I've earned for the month of September on MLGS. So I'm just gonna put 53 right here. Okay, now let's look at the tool that I was talking about, which is System.io. Let me just go to the affiliate page dashboard right here. You can see right here, I didn't earn anything with affiliate commissions in System.io. I'm not heavily promoting System.io as an affiliate, But obviously, if I do get some commissions, I share with you guys. Right now, I think I have pending. Let me just show you. I think I have pending in my account. Yeah, right now I have about $8 pending in my account. Okay, so this is what system.io has. So this is the pending amount. It will only send me until I reach $30. So the aim is to get to $30 there. Once I do get $30 there, it will be good. I will be able to get it. Okay, so nothing this month for system.io. Let's go to here we go. You go to transactions right here on Warrior Plus, and I will look at last month, and let's search, and you'll see a total of $400 and $429. Okay, so let's add that also to the total amounts. That's 482. That's for Warrior Plus. Now this includes step one. You can see I've made a lot of sales in step one, about 21 sales totally. And then you can see that I do have a payment right here, which is a traffic payment, which is a yearly payment. Actually, this is already the second payment, guys. Remember, I have some sources and have some commissions, a traffic source that I use, and people are purchasing this, and this works for years now. People have, this is the second year in a row that they have the traffic running, and they're using the real buyer traffic. I'll make another video about this, but just to show you guys that there are recurring payments. Okay, so that was one, and I believe this was another one. Somebody bought a solo ad for $200, 200 clicks, and I got a commission of $13 right here. Okay, the sale was 138, and I got a sale of specifically $13.31. Okay, so that's clear. I just wanted to show you guys that very transparently. Let's move over to ClickBank. All right, guys, here I am logged into ClickBank, and we're gonna basically go to the month of September. So we go last, no, not month to date, not last 60 days. Yeah, we'll just use custom, and we'll go to September. You can see I made a few sales in September, totaling to $91.25. Okay, that's what I earned for the month of September. So we'll add that there as well. Okay, so it's already past $500 right now. Let's just look at OLSP to have an idea what happened this last month. I haven't earned anything. Just to let you know, I have $7.50 in commissions. Just a side note on OLSP, you can earn with OLSP also just by commenting on posts. Okay, so for example, if you go to not commission generator, sorry, if you go to the dashboard right here and you go to CD Pro, I believe, yeah, and CD Pro, you'll see that there are the things that you can comment on. The moment you comment on these, once they're verified and everything else, you can earn commissions. And just to show you, I've earned a total amount of $7.75 just in posting on Facebook posts, guys. That's it. Okay, I've got commissions coming in this way, and I will continue to do it. Okay, I do it because firstly it engages in the community, and secondly I like doing it, and I get paid for it. I think it's about, let me check. Okay, your commissions, it's about 25 cents per comment, which is brilliant, and that's how I'm kind of going ahead and developing that. I made a total, just to give you guys an understanding, I made a total of $400.87 in OLSP itself. Again, it's not something I heavily promote, but it is a very, very, very good ecosystem to have. So I will be focusing on it much more in the future. And then we'll go to map. So month of September, nothing for OLSP, and month of September also nothing for map. However, I do have quite a bit of more clicks that are coming in because I had a campaign running. So I am building my list with map. I think the list is now up to, let me show you guys. Okay, the list that I have specifically, sorry, I need to go to tags. So the total list for the follow-up that I have got, which includes broadcast and everything else, should be around 200, at least 200 people, right? So I think it's 300, yeah, 300 plus people are on my list just for map, and to get the follow-up emails from there, which is quite cool, which means when we move on to different phases with map, it's just easier for me to promote it and talk about it and share, and it's again building your skill sets, right? So map is something that I highly recommend. A lot of awesome training guys here, from list building to email marketing to traffic to video, everything under the sun, and done very uniquely. You will not find this training anywhere else, and it's done really very, very, very uniquely. So if you follow these strategies, I'm pretty sure that you're going to get results with it, because it's giving me results. And just to say, they also, when you join at a platinum level, I'll leave a link to map also in the description, but if you join at a platinum level, which is the only level you can join right now, you will get these rotator clicks. So basically they'll put you on a rotator, And I personally have got a sale from that, guys. This lead that you see right here, this conversion that you see right here, this, if I go to the main page, this $500 that I've earned right here has come from one of these rotator sales. Now, that doesn't mean that you are guaranteed to get this commission, but it shows you that this traffic does convert. That's all I wanted to say. Okay, so nothing from app. This is everything. So let's see the total amount. Total amount that I personally earned is $573 for the month of September. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to minus $60 because that's my expenses for my Legion Secrets, and then we're going to minus also $27, which is what I pay for my System.io tool, and that means it is a total net profit. Now, this is after expenses. My net profit is $486.39. Now, that's up to you if you want to have this. Again, I'm not talking about, big money making or changing a life, but if you want to learn the skill sets and you want to follow along, this is how I'm personally doing it. Guys, that's it from my side. Obviously, these results are just my own. They're not typical. They're not guaranteed, but you can find everything in the description. And obviously, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification if you're interested in this kind of content. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.